Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to break down a layered haircut and a few things that you need to understand and pay attention to. So let's get started. Well, this is a haircut that I had, a full haircut that I had done, and what I want to really emphasize and showcase is the layers in through here. Now, the reason that this is flowing so nicely is because of how I cut the entire back. And that's where, if you're going in for a haircut, right? You're going in for a haircut, you can show photos to your barber, show photos to your stylist, but it really comes down to them executing. It really comes down to the skill. If they are not skilled, they're not gonna be able to execute this type of haircut. Establish your base. How long do you want the base to be? Like the bottom of your neck. This will help dictate how much of a blend and how long the hair needs to be. This is all done by hand with scissors. I didn't use any trimmers for this, but the key is holding the hair straight out from the head because the hair goes straight out. So here it may grow down, it may grow up here. So it's pulling it out from where the head grows. In my opinion, that's the best way to approach a haircut. That's the best way to, cut hair so it grows out. And basically, as this grows out, it's going to be much more balanced and look better. If you start getting haircuts that are too focused on, it has to be a square shape, has to be, then that may work for the time being until it starts to grow out. Then it's gonna start to lay, the wrong way. And yes, you're gonna have to go in a little bit quicker, and that's maybe a way that people can make more money having you go back sooner. Me, I've always cut hair so that it grows out and lasts longer, right? I'd rather see more people less often. So my thing is all about the flow of this. So when you comb the hair straight out, right? Straight out from the head, like this. I always say it's the top, the corners, and the sides. That's how I cut hair, top, corners, sides. When you keep this flow, and I have so many full haircut tutorials of haircuts like this on my channel. Just type in the Salon Guy layered haircut and you'll see like the hundreds of videos I have on layering. But the key to all of this is making sure that you have a balanced, proportioned haircut and understanding why the haircut is doing what it needs to do. If you go in and you sit down and the person cutting your hair in the front, they cut it to right here because you're like, oh, I want my hair to be here, and they cut it to here, it's gonna shrink up to the hairline. You need to make sure that they understand by leaving the hair longer. Look how long this comes. This comes all the way down to here, all right? If your person, you want your hair to look like this and they cut it here, guess what? Your hair is not gonna have enough length for it to flow properly. And that's gonna be an issue. How do you find someone to cut hair like this? Well, I'm gonna be launching an online course platform where I can actually teach people and certify them in cutting hair like this. All right? So that's something I'm looking forward to. It's coming in the very, very near future that, whoever takes my hair cutting course and gets certified in this, that they're gonna have to invest in, that's gonna be one way. And I'll be able to list who's actually gonna be cutting hair like how I trained. That's coming, again, very, very soon. And also, if you're interested in cutting hair yourself, right, you can also invest in these seminars, but they're mainly geared towards professionals, but it's not going to restrict anyone from purchasing. So again, as you can see, the layers in through here, all of this, it's because the hair was pulled straight out from the head and it's able to flow back like so. The best way to style this sometimes is simply just your hands and using the blow dryer. Right, your hands and the blow dryer. This right here, this is my blow dryer. It folds like this for traveling. And I did invest in the ionic technology. Comes with the magnetic attachments. These are selling so well because of all of you, and I've had this out for quite some time now. This is the second version. The first one was good, but I made upgrades because I sold so many, upgraded the packaging and all that and the technology. So thank you for all that, and that's what this is going to help. So I just blow dry it like this with the hands, rake it. You can see the raking, you can see the layers coming through right there, and that's what makes it really, really awesome. So styling wise, you know, again, you can use maybe Tidal Wave, you can use my 25 spray. You can use the matte pomade if you want. I think it's a great product for something like this. But this is all layered in through here. All of this. It's all layered. You can see, right? If I were to turn the head upside down, you'll be able to see the layered shape in through here. It's a perfectly layered shape right there. You can see all the layers. Look at them. Right there. Right? The hair has to have all of this. So, are there people who can execute great haircuts? Sure, of course. Can you know, any random barber you walk in do something like this? I don't know, because I didn't use any clippers for this. I just used full scissors the entire thing. So it really, really comes down to and depends on you. But I will have this full haircut actually in my haircutting course and certification. Again, it's not ready yet. I'm working on it. I'm building up a nice library of stuff. But this will be something you can watch and invest in with no ads, nothing. It's like an hour. I did like an hour it took me to cut this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you found this helpful. If you are interested in purchasing any of my products, use code YouTube20. That's YouTube20 at shop.thesalonguy.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.